Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video and another Lido.fi video. So I'm still staking my Ethereum here. I'm still earning my STETH APR of 4.5% still coming through. This goes down depending on the amount of people staking their Ethereum here with Lido. So I'm going to go and show you something which is really powerful. So here is the Lido Twitter page. Okay, this is the correct one because it's got joined October 2020, and it's got this here. You can see this is the real one. It's also got this. Just make sure it's the real one. It's got Lido Finance with here, and it's got this pinned tweet. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see this tweet here. Now this tweet is powerful. Someone just aped $200 million into Lido. $200 million staked in Ethereum on Lido. Okay, so I'm going to show you the actual transaction. If I click on it, this is the actual transaction. So you can see here, this is the transaction hash, and this is the actual transaction. Okay, you can see it transferred from this wallet here to this wallet here for this amount of STETH. $200,452,807.47. okay, in STETH. And the transaction fee, look at the transaction fee. The transaction fee was $12.27. That was how much it costs for them to literally transfer that amount. It doesn't actually say the amount here that's transferring from, but you can see this is the destination. If I click on it, you can see that this is the actual destination. This is the actual STETH token, and this is where it has been sent to. You can see that. Okay, if I go here, I want you to really pay attention. Look here, you can see this transaction hash, this one here, liquidity farming pool contract, the quantity here. If I click on this transaction hash, goes back and confirms it. So you can see this is 201 million here. This is truly very powerful. Over $200 million, over $200 million is sent to Lido to stake their Ethereum, for Ethereum 2.0, and they get that STETH token. They get that STETH token that they can literally use to put on a yield farming, to put on curve.finance, to put on yearn.finance, or to use with Anchor or any other way to create more yield. So it's very powerful. This transaction fee was $45.18. So it's just madness when you see this. It is really mad. If just look at these two there's actually another one. Actually, I don't know if these are actually two separate. I don't know if these are two. I think these are actually two separate ones. All right, this one is in. Okay, so yeah, one of them is going out to Lido, and then Lido is sending the STETH to the person. Okay, so that's what it is. This one here. Let's click on this. This one here is the STETH goes to the person. Over $200 million in STETH went to the person, and this one is the actual. Yeah, and then this one is the actual purchase. So this is when they deposit it into the contract. Okay, so this is from So this is from the person into the contract. $201,197,264 into the contract at Lido. Okay, at Lido. And then And then this one is the ST ETH that they receive in their wallet that they can use for whatever they want to. Very powerful. So this person, whoever this person is, this person here, I don't know who this person is, but this person has over $200,449,087.47 of ST ETH here. So when they go into their Lido, they're going to see the amount of ST ETH at this amount. The amount of ST ETH they're gonna have is this amount here. I believe this is the amount of ST ETH. Yeah. So this is the Ether amount, but it's gonna be like it's pegged to Ethereum. So it's not exactly, but it's almost. So they're gonna have that amount. Yeah. This amount of ST ETH is gonna be here in a staked amount of ST ETH. That's a lot of ST ETH. That is a lot of ST ETH. So let me go. Let's do some numbers here. So we know that this is over, I think it's 61. I'm gonna actually take this amount of ST ETH so I can show you what that will apply to. So let's do Lido calculator. Okay, so it's this one here. We're going to use the calculator and we're going to look at how much that will bring. Okay, so Lido is actually staking over 1,117,486 Ethereum. Okay, that's what it's staking there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to the Ethereum hash here. Okay, and I'm going to take that amount, 61,000. Yeah, so 61,999 ST ETH. I'm going to take that amount, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the calculator. I'm going to come here, I'm going to put it into the calculator. Oh, it's not allowing me to paste it. Okay, all right, I'm just going to write it in. So it's 61,999, 61,999. Okay, so you can see that that correlates. It's over 201 million. Okay, of ST ETH that person has. Okay, over 201 million ST ETH, or in the equivalent value of ST ETH this person has, over 201 million. So this, whoever this person is, this person here, this is what they're going to be getting. Their rewards 4.50%, and this is what they're going to be making. It might actually be it might not just be one person, it might be collective. Who knows who it is, but whoever or whatever entity put 61,999 Ethereum in to be staked, they are going to be making 232,000. No, is it? Wait, no, 232.496 Ethereum a month. Okay, and yeah, 232.496, and they're going to be making yearly 2,789 Ethereum a year. So this is, just imagine that amount, $756,605.76 a month. That's crazy. That's ridiculous. Nearly 1 million a month. And this, they're going to be making $9,079,269 a year. 9 million a year. And this is just at this 4.50%. If they just leave this in here and let the rewards accumulate, every month they will have another 232 Ethereum added to this amount. It's just crazy. It's over 201 million. So the fact that this person went through to deposit that huge amount into the contract, okay, deposit that huge amount, which is this one. Which one is it? Yeah, this one, I believe. Is this one? No, it's the other it's the other one. So the fact that they actually deposit it inside the contract, they believe that Ethereum 2.0 mining is where it's at. That is it. They they believe that putting their Ethereum into the Ethereum 2.0 in order to be staked through Lido is a good deal, and that's what they're doing. And that 200 million is now there, earning percentage rewards every single day. Just like I've just got a little bit of Ethereum in here, so I'm getting 4.5% of this. But when I show you the calculator, it does speak for itself that big players will really love to just dash their Ethereum in here and let the monthly earnings accumulate. And because Lido is basically staking across many different pools, it's not just in one place. It's a great place for people who want to kind of try to decentralize their Ethereum 2.0 and their staking. So we look at these validators. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 validators here. Okay, so these are growing as well. So these are helping them grow. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why it's so attractive for people to send their Ethereum in to stake with Lido, even though they take a 10% fee. Because even if they take a 10% fee, they are still trying their best to make it as decentralized as possible, and add in new validators. Look at all these different validators here. They're not just using one; they're using 9 here. And if we go to the actual Twitter and I scroll down, you'll see that they've actually there's more different people they're working with, different companies they're working with. So you see they've added now Matrix Port here. So Matrix Port launches Ethereum 2.0 staking earn product. So Matrix Port is going to be using Lido as a staking product. So when people stake through Matrix Port, they are going to, when they stake through that, Lido is going to manage that. If I scroll down, you can see here another one here, all nodes. All nodes is basically a node operator as well, where you can actually pay a subscription, I think, for them to manage you running your own validators and all of that. So this is another good one as well, another good collaboration. You scroll down, we've got another one here with RockX. Got another node operator here called AnyBlock Analytics. Got Figment, we got Diversify. They're adding them like clockwork, and these are all going to be added to here. Okay, so I believe they should add them anyway, even if they add them as node operators or whatever they add. They should add their names here. It just adds more credibility, and I believe they will anyway. At the moment, these are the two projects that we're able to stake through Lido, which is Terra and Ethereum. Okay, Solana's coming and Aave is coming, and even Polkadot is coming, and Kusama. There's a lot happening with Lido. Think about it. 200 million has just been put into the contract. Madness. It is just insane, and it's just going to get better. It is just going to get better. Think about that. How much in the rewards they're making every year and every month. Check out the Twitter as well. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I've done loads of videos on Lido. I'll be doing more. I'm really impressed with what is going on here, and they do not stop. They really don't stop. They keep on moving forward. They keep on making things happen. And the amount of staking assets keeps on going up every single day. The amount of stakers goes up every day. The total rewards paid goes up every day. And my actual rewards goes up every day. And I love it. 4.5%. Can't get that from your local bank. I can't complain. And if you're looking to stake your Ethereum, this is a great place to stake it within a decentralized protocol, okay, which is a good option, especially if you've looked at Binance and Coinbase as alternatives to staking your Ethereum. Anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.